Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful adventure of the seas. Now the particular category that I am in you'll only find on Royal Caribbean, it's a Promenade View Interior. Now we'll get more on that when we get over to the window side, but let me show you what this room is all about. Now on the back of the door, you're gonna find your Do Not Disturb makeup room magnet right there. So you can let them know, just put it right outside your door. You can communicate with your cabin steward. Now right here is where you're gonna find your storage. You've got hanging storage up above. Those do pop down for a little more hanging storage, and then you have shelves up and down, and your safe is right here, big enough for passport and wallets, not quite big enough for a laptop. And then if you're tall like me, a little bit of storage up above as well. Now directly across, you're gonna find that you have room service menus right here. So if you wanna have breakfast delivered in the morning, maybe you have a shore excursion at a specific time, all you have to do is mark the time, put that out the night before, and it will be delivered for you. Now let's take you inside the bathroom. So it's the same exact bathroom that you're gonna find on all the balconies and below. I do like that they have this that closes instead of a shower curtain, because I've traveled in this category quite a few times myself before. You've got the shower wand, you've got these up and down for soaps, and then you have the soap dispenser. They've added that instead of having all the reusable plastics. You've got your sink, toilet tucked around the corner, a little bit of storage underneath. This is most of the storage for the bathroom right here up and down, and then you've got the vanity right here. So now we're headed into the bedroom area. We'll start out with the fact that you have a royal queen in here, or royal king, however you want to call that. Now it's set up together. They also can separate those out into two twins, and then the two side tables where there is a little bit of storage do push together in the middle to give a little bit of separation. Now there are no plugs right here, so I always bring a backup battery so that I can charge that during the day and I can use it to charge my phone at night. Now directly across, you're gonna have your flat panel TV. You've got storage up and down here. You also have storage in the drawers right here as well. And then as we continue on into the space, you'll find your writing desk vanity combo. So these do light up on either side, a large mirror in the middle. The two mirrors on the side open up as well for a little bit more storage. You have a Euro plug on one side, two US plugs on the other. I always bring a Euro converter so that I can take advantage of all the plugs in the room. Little bit of storage underneath there. You've got your mini fridge right underneath as well. And then on the other side, you're gonna have a small sofa. Now, this room generally is only for two passengers. There are an exception to that, or there is an exception to that, which is the connecting promenade. So this particular one does not, but if you're looking at that, it's a different category type. And the only difference is you're gonna find a door so that the two connect together. I actually find that to be a good fit for some families of four, because essentially you double up on the bathroom space and the bedroom space. Now what makes this room truly unique is that it looks down on the Royal Promenade. Now when Royal Caribbean introduced the Voyager class ships, the Promenade was a brand new concept in the industry. It's basically a city street that goes all the way down the middle of the ship. It's 3 stories high, so you're gonna have 3 levels of these Promenade View balconies looking in. Now keep in mind you can pick them throughout the ship. The particular one that we're in right now is actually above the guest services desk. It is a little bit quieter over here. If you pick one right across from the pub or in the main part of the promenade, they're gonna have parades and different things into the evening. So just keep that in mind when booking the particular category. Now they do have blackout curtains that can shut, and then this opens up so you can sit, read here, and look out if you like. If you're into people watching, this might be a perfect fit for you. Now, when you're ready to book your next cabin or suite with Royal Caribbean Group, be it Celebrity Cruises, Royal Caribbean, or Silversea, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury cruise experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, group, or family at an incredible value.